Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to live translate on iPhone. Live translation on iPhone allows you to translate conversations, text, and speech in real time. It is useful for travel, communication, and understanding foreign languages instantly. You can use built-in tools and features to enable quick and accurate translations. To begin, open the Translate app. Launch the Apple Translate on your iPhone. Choose language. Choose the source and target languages at the top of the screen. Enable Conversation Mode. Tap the Conversation tab for real-time translation. Position your device. Place your iPhone between you and the other speaker. Tap the microphone icon. Start recording spoken words. Speak clearly. Talk into the microphone and wait for the translation. View translated text. The app will display translated text on screen. Play audio translation. Tap the play button to hear the translated speech. Switch languages quickly. Tap the language boxes to swap input or output languages. Enable auto translate if available. Tap the three dots, then choose auto translate. Allow the app to detect and translate speech automatically. Use on-device mode. By tapping the three dots, tap language, download language for offline translation in the settings. Translate type text. Switch to the Translate tab and enter text manually. Use camera translation. Scan text using for instant translation. Review recent translations. Tap the three lines here. Check saved history for quick access to past translations. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.